Alrighty, hi Jillian, how are you doing?
Doing great, how are you?
Awesome. So I think you have an interesting medical story and just background and how you ended up here. So I would love for you to kind of share medical history, background, and how you ended up here.
Yeah, so I've been seeing Dr. Ron. I started seeing him as a patient back in 2018 or 2019.
And that's Dr. Ron at Texas Center for Lifestyle Medicine?
Yes, at Texas Center for Lifestyle Medicine. I had a lot of complex things going on, gut issues. I was then diagnosed with dysautonomia and POTS. I was referred to a sleep neurologist. They did find Upper Airway Resistance Syndrome. So I'd been trying to navigate different options to treat my sleep, but also manage chronic pain associated with poor posture and sleep issues, as well as the nervous system dysregulation that comes with dysautonomia.
Yeah.
So long story short, I didn't want to try a CPAP. I knew I wouldn't be able to really be compliant with that.
It's good to know our limitations, right?
Yes, right. And I knew it wouldn't really correct the pain that I've been feeling, the tension in my upper back and neck, the clenching in my jaw. I didn't really think that would be a good option for my case. So I was happy to hear that there's other options out there like orthodontics, dental treatment. And whenever I found out about this device, I thought it would be great to give it a try.
Cool. And which device is this one?
It's the
STA.
STA.
Start
Thriving Now Appliance.
Start Thriving Appliance.
Start Thriving Appliance. Correct.
Yeah, cool. And so Dr. Ron told you that a lot of your medical issues could have a root cause in your mouth?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
A lot of the issues that I have with a narrow airway, narrow jaw, I believe I have an open bite and a tongue thrust, so a lot of that has been causing uncomfortable like grinding in the night and clenching to keep my airway open.
Awesome.
So it's caused a lot of pain in the day then and just some downstream effects with my posture.
Awesome. Yeah, and then we delivered your appliance today.
Mm-hmm.
And how did your neck and shoulder feel once we put the appliance in and kind of your jaw aligned to where it needs to be really?
Yeah, so as soon as I put it in, especially whenever I stood up and he did the muscle test to see the strength in my arm, I could see.
It's always an interesting one.
Yes, it was very fascinating to see how weak I am without the appliance in versus the strength that I have with it in. Just pretty much like magic, instant fix.
Our bodies know where they want to be, so it's always exciting. And this is just the first step, so I'm excited for the journey as we kind of grow your jaw and get things more in alignment, so hopefully less pain, less grinding, and better sleep.
Definitely, yep. And I did even notice a lot of less tension in my neck whenever I turned to the side with the device in and more range of motion.
Awesome. Well, I'm excited. This will be a fun journey, and hopefully in a couple of years, we'll come back and just talk about how things are at that point.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how it goes.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.